What's up, everybody? Good morning, good morning. Hope we're doing well. It is me. We are finally live, folks. Hope we're doing well. I'm expecting a quick wick to it though. What's up, guys? Hope we're doing well. Apologies for the delay there. Your boy was up late last night, actually trying to trade Asia session, but we're back. Good morning, folks. Hope we're doing well. I'm gonna quickly, in just a second after I say my hellos, I'm gonna go run and grab some water really quick, just from the kitchen here. I'm a little disheveled, as you guys might be able to tell as well. So let me just get the announcements going here. Yeah, good morning, folks. Eric, Jack, Justin, Olivia, good morning, good morning. We'll get started on analysis in literally just a second. I'm just gonna have to mute my mic, and I'll be back in like 2 to 3 minutes here. Just gonna go get some water, quick little snack since I need to make it through a 2 hour stream. I like your shirt, thank you, brother. It's a Life is Good t-shirt with a triathlon bike on it. It's pretty electric, if you ask me. So, hope we're all doing well. What's up, Jack, Justin? How's it going, folks? I'll give the rundown in just a second for what the analysis is, so stay tuned. With the triathlon bike, dude, it was my dad's from like 1990, dude. It's crazy, Jack, or NQ. But good morning, folks. Apologies again. Leo, the shirts you have on the intro picture, can you send me one? On the intro picture, you mean on the lab ones? Dude, even I need one, brother. The lab PFC shirts are sick, aren't they? Super radical. Alrighty, guys, give me like 2 minutes here and I'll be right back. Production, I'll be literally right back. So, chat, if anybody in chat asks where I am, if anybody asks where I am, just let them know I'll be back in like 2 minutes. I'm just gonna get water and I'm gonna quickly get a flapjack just to get me through 3 hours of trading here. I'll be right back. We are back, ladies and gents. Apologies there. We are all good and ready to get the baby started today. Apologies about the delay there, everybody. But we are live. Bro's losing HP, gonna get Apex 100K, 50K. Alrighty, guys. That was not love the clouds. Good for him. Yeah, sorry about that. Ronnie, what's up? Atric, how's it going? Good morning, folks. We're back. Take risks from you might. We are back, boys. Apologies, folks. Alrighty. Let's get into some analysis, guys. So, anticipation for today. What did we see happen yesterday? Well, we had a massive S&T divergence with ES that was removed, right? We saw that NASDAQ ended up sweeping out that August 6th lows. Those of you that were on the session yesterday, you guys heard me tell you multiple times that the primary thing I was looking for was longs off the August 6th lows. And for those of you that listened to me and paid attention, which I know quite a few of you did, you guys ended up fucking banking a bit of cash. Why? Well, because those August 6th lows ended up putting in a beautiful low where we had some fantastic long sequences form off of that. So NQ forming 30-minute, 3-minute shorts, beautiful. Yeah, I can't lie, these 30-minute, 3-minute shorts look good, right? We have a C2 forming here, and I believe there's also an SMT divergence within that. So 30-minute, 30-minute, this looks good, right? No SMT here. We might have SMT with YM. Yes, we have an active SMT with YM as well. So this actually looks really good here for NASDAQ for potential leg lower. So I might actually see involvement here myself, to be frank. Confirmation sequence here. I honestly should get involved on this 3-minute here, just because I really like that. Thank you for the noti on that. I do like that a bit. I'm going to see if my limits will get filled at the OB. So limits here will be filled at the OB, stop at this protected high, target a 1.5R, and leave the runners down here. So I'm going to see if I get filled. I'll likely target the 7 a.m. low since 8 a.m. swept out 7 a.m. high. Or it hasn't swept out 7 a.m. high, sorry, but 7 a.m. swept out 6 o'clock. So I'll see if we get filled. If not, likely we'll just have to fade this trade entirely. But we'll see whether or not that becomes a proper fill here. But currently, that is the position I'm looking to grab. We'll see if we get limits. It's small amount of risk too. Pre-market, I'm going to de-risk a bit. 15 points of risk, so likely do about 4 micros on this trade, since that'll be about $120 of risk on this trade. I'm in 572. That's the wick I wanted. Very nice. Very nice. All right, my limit just got tagged here. So I'm going to try this out, relatively light size. So as of right now, I'm risking literally 115 bucks on this. So we'll see what happens. But this 3-minute, 30-minute with the leading SMT as well. If that SMT doesn't hold, likely market's just not ready to move lower yet. So we're going to have to fade the trade and accept the loss here. But I'm walking here lightly green on the day to start, which is pretty sweet. But we'll see if we can get a confirmation. You got any daily accounts, Leo? I actually did. I got some top step. You mean the top step ones or which ones? So yeah, currently tagged in on this. So production, letting you know, my entry here is at 8:21, about 8:24 a.m. roughly. So there's a chance we do get tagged out on this though, just because market could easily. Wow, it might be an immediate tap out, by the way. So just letting you know. But yeah, we've got about $115 of risk on this trade. See that we're aggressively moving higher, so this might actually take us out. I do like the SMT, but EQ sits quite high. So, all right, well, that's an immediate tag out, minus 115 there. There's a 15-point stop for me on MNQ, so we're tagged out on that. Only reason here, it's all my buying power. Should have told me you were short. Yeah, Jack, you're good, bro. No sweat. Only reason here that the shorts invalidated for me, we have that SMT. EQ rests to be quite high. So we're likely going to see a retrace into EQ here before then getting a confirmation. But 30 minutes still looks quite bearish. Depends on how this flips, actually. If this flips bullish, then that's going to be an invalidation. So small $115 loss, still up about 270 on the day right now. But that's all good. Just passed 2x25 rapid with code LAB.live, by the way. I mean, congrats on passing. Good morning. What's up, Junji? How's it going? Alrighty, small but we move on. Small but we suffice. Small but we suffice. Alright, good SMT here though. So if we can see a reclosure back below, that will be a nice confirmation. I would like to see us tap more into the EQ though, since that will be tapping into discount before we then see that continuation form. So now we just have to wait. All right, well, we do have an active SMT here, which I'll be watching for very closely, chat. Very, very closely. Now I trail my stop loss amount, quick 30 point before the open. Yo, any trades earlier? Yes, sir. Ended up getting involved with London, which was quite nice. Got some London session longs in the 1 minute for some continuations on MNQ. I don't have it mapped out here because, to be frank with you guys, I was actually trading mobile, funny enough. But chart setup on the phone looked good, so I ended up capitalizing on that. But right now, though, we'll see if we can get confirmation. This 30-minute looks like it's likely going to close bullish, which means it's just going to be the start of a C2, right? So we had C2 into failed C3, which means this will likely be a new C2 here at the 8 o'clock open. So if that's the case, I can't lie, guys, we might be in town for higher prices here. We've kind of have no filled gaps here until around the 2 o'clock candle here, where we have this micro 4 hour gap, which we could see price try and rebalance into a bit. So I'm just going to mark this as a 4 hour gap here. We have a potential bullish candle C3, as I was mentioning. Okay. So yeah, at this point, we just kind of wait it out. We see what happens, right? There's really not much else to this other than just seeing whether or not trend is going to validate the sequence, if EQ is going to hold, or if EQ is not going to hold, and we're going to see market just pump higher. Man's a scalper led. Do you chew gum or use mouthwash? Neither, but I've used mouthwash quite a few times. I'm sure we bid higher, but I'm okay with taking a small win before open. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, based on this 30-minute closure, though, it does look like we're likely going to see this just pop higher. Definitely looks like we're going to see this pop higher based on what I'm seeing. Guys, I've been having a lot of fun though on these Blue Guardian accounts. Just random heads up, but I've been enjoying these Blue Guardians quite a bit. The 50K reserves, I've realized that they're literally just top step 50Ks. The rules and everything make them just top step 50Ks. Bears, I use mouthwash? Hell yeah. Out of the way, bro's got that hygiene, man. Legend. All right, get that in. I'm likely just watch the New York Open now. Morning, brother. How's the rhomboid? Rhomboid's doing good, dude. It's hanging in there, man. We're having a good time. Rhomboid's just rhomboiding, bro. There's not much to it, dude. I appreciate you asking, dog. First one to ask me about the rhomboid in a while, actually. My goat. Wow, we had that 30-minute C2 form with an immediate C3 distribution. That probably was also a PSP. If you look at silver, I guarantee gold was a PSP. Actually, no PSP here. Let's see if we had it with like Zao GBP or something. Yeah, okay. So we did have a PSP. We had a PSP with Zao GBP. So that was a really nice short sequence. Nice. Nice. So likely to see gold head lower then off that PSP. There goes NQ heading higher now as well. YM heading higher too. We've got a decent range here to just kind of milk this trend higher now. Looks to be quite bullish right now, guys. Wow. Got that 1 minute SMT divergence as well. C2 and a precision swing point forming here. I believe that was with ES now. Likely, we'll see. So that was a C2 and a PSP, so it would have been on 15 or 30. Let's see. Negative. I keep on waiting on the world to change. Nice C2 PSP here from NQ. Likely going to see that range head higher. Is Blue Guardian harder to get paid because of the rules? No, it's the same as Top Step. Dog, it's literally 2 days to pass an evaluation, 50% consistency, And then it's 5 days of $150 profit on the 50K reserves to secure a 90% profit split payout. It's identical to Top Step. I think it's great. I think it's super great, honestly. New 30-minute open here. NQ new 30-minute as well. Likely going to see this head higher. It's just a bullish C2. And we had some SMT at the lows. So we're likely to just see NQ kind of pop here. Anticipating higher prices now. So we'll kind of just gauge. But yeah, I think this new 30-minute is going to likely just pop. BG is good because they have higher max payout amounts. Yeah, it's showing us $10 per account. What? I mean $10 per account. Yesterday open, you were so fast, determined that the day looked low opportunity for model, which became true. How did you know? Marie, market was, when you look at a live market scenario, also this 30-minute, look at that. It's an easy read. Yeah, it's an immediate pop. When we saw NASDAQ just off the open, right? We were able to see that NASDAQ was sweeping both sides of the range. And when you sweep a side of the range, typically you want to look for a distribution to the opposing side aggressively, right? If I see, I'm trading the 50K reserves, like if I see a bullish manipulation, I want it to be met with strong bearish distribution as soon as possible. The second you start sweeping both sides of the range and there's a lot of wick formations, small candle bodies, that indicates indecision in market. Indecision in market literally means that a consolidation phase of market is opening up. So the reason why I knew it was low probability is NASDAQ yesterday was literally doing exactly that. It was bullish sweep, bearish sweep, indecisive closure, and there was no aggressive move into one said direction. So that indecision led me to believe, oh, market makers are not sure where they want to push trend right now. So it's going to be a lower probability day for myself. Yeah, 50K reserve, Panos. Is Pookie on today? Alex will be on today. Yes, sir. Damn, also, look at gold. These gold shorts were pretty spectacular, man. A PSP formulated with this C2, like that's a chef. That's a freaking chef right here. Look at that. Oh, I missed out on that. Oh, that was fresh. That was fresh, man. Can't make it up. Hey guys, what's the indicator used here for PSP and SMT? It is the T-Trades Fractal Model Indicator, TTFM Pro Plus. And baby, ain't no rest for the wicked. Money don't grow on trees. I got bills to pay. I got mouths to feed. And the world free. Okay, now it's forming a 1-minute potential bearish C2. All right, bro, really? Quit with that silly business, NASDAQ. I will say though, gold here off that. Look at that gold. I honestly, guys, I think I'm gonna start trading higher time frame on my personal account. Like start taking hourly or 4-hour swings. Because I can't lie. What is the strategy? What does that strategy mean? What do you mean, Harris? What? Thanks, interesting knowledge. Yeah, Marie, I mean that's genuine, and I've been around the market since before 2019, right? Like the first time I deposited money was January 7th of 2019. I started trading like end of 2018. And so being able to see markets like this, you have to think about it. Wicks don't say anything about market unless there's a body that follows it. When you see strong wicks with limited bodies, that literally is just a map telling you indecision is present, don't get involved. There's really nothing else special to it other than that it's just indecision in market. ES also just took out a nice EQ here, a higher time frame EQ. 4-hour EQ has been swept out here on ES, so we'll see if that holds. That likely might lead to some potential bearish sentiment. Money don't grow on trees. I got bills to pay. I got mouths to feed, and it ain't nothing in this world for free. Wick does the damage, body tells the story. Yo, Haroon, what's up? Name of the strategy? Fractal model base, but I call my strategy Le Modèle Continuations. Holy cow. GC's on a ripper, dude. Can't make it up, man. GC's feisty today, guys. That 30-minute, oh, see, like this is a trade I should have taken on my personal. Like I just scouted that 30-minute PSP, like that's fresh, man. I should have taken that. That's a fresh ass motherfucking trade, bro. That's crazy, man. Ain't nothing in this world free. I got bills to pay. I got mouths to feed. Money don't grow on trees. Moderna calls today. Yeah, right. Sub 140. Fuck it, we bowl. Yeah, no, I'm good. I'm good. It's a little saturated for me personally. I'm gonna wait. I'd rather not get involved with a bit of an aggressive asset right now. Let's look at mRNA right now, shall we? What's Moderna up to? Hey, 133? Fuck it. Moderna call swings inbound, baby. Run me up my bag. Wow, dude. Gold's a ripper, man. Not much to say other than Gold's a ripper. I'm gonna start calling Gold Jack the Ripper here, dude. Good afternoon. What's up, KVL? How we doing, boss man? What's poppin', bro law? Oh, that C42 is beautiful, man. I just didn't like the stop value on that because that's quite a large stop. But gold here looking like we still have some range and bound, but yeah. Hmm. I got bills to pay, I got mouths to feed, and then ain't nothing this world free. KVL, how's it going? Which prop have you received the most money from? Probably Top Step. Probably Top Step, to be honest. I think Top Step is definitely like my numero uno hombre. Top Step and I are like this, dude. I Top Step got so much shit for I gotta be honest, Top Step got so much shit for literally no reason. That's my take. I think Top Step got shit for no reason at all. I think the people that shot on Top Step just, I mean, yeah, the delayed payouts, but Top Step now, literally, my payout requests come through in less than 24 hours. Like, Top Step's been immaculate for me. I don't know the hate behind it, man. Just being honest with you guys. It got way too much hate for no reason. I think it's a fantastic platform and a fantastic firm. And no, I'm not sponsored by them. I used to be on the leaderboards. They have those new challenge accounts. Dude, I actually was back in the day, man. Back in the day, your boy was on the leaderboards. Back in the day, man. I was on those leaderboards, dude. Top step leaderboards on those OG 50Ks, man. I have to find it. I have some screenshots of my laptop when I was just a gooner, dude. I was like all up about it. I was like, yeah, yeah, man, I'm up, I'm up. But yeah, I actually have proof of it as well. I got all my credibility, man. Way back. Yo, what's up, Lucas? How's it going? Nate, how's it going as well? Nate, I saw your Discord, by the way. I'll message that in a bit. Lay, you play any video games? I did. Fun fact about me, which I think a few of you know already, is I used to play pro Fortnite. I have about 16,000 in earnings, roughly. But FNCS West, dude, I was like that. What size are you trading with today? Friday for me is a lower size day, so likely gonna keep my size within 3 to 10 micros. But dude, gold, man, fuck. That 30-minute PSP, dude, it was so crisp. Makes you want to cry, man. It was just so good. I got bills to pay, I got mouths to feed, and then ain't nothing this world free. Oh, it hurts. It hurts, chat. Look at this. Oh, it hurts. What a beautiful move on gold, man. Look at that 30-minute profile. 30-minute PSP followed by a C2 into an immediate redistribution lower, and that goes our TP. Wow. Fumbled on that one, eh, boys? Jeez Louise. Silver and gold just rocketeering lower now. Just got to sit here and look pretty now, eh? I think one thing I improved a lot from watching you, Leo, is not acting on my emotions when I lose or miss an opportunity. Your sportsmanship towards yourself is admirable. Learning a lot. Junji, dude, that's the sweetest comment I've received in a while. I really appreciate that. Thank you, brother. I mean, the thing you have to realize is like trading is your job, right? You're your own boss. So at the end of the day, I'm responsible for all my actions. My boss isn't delaying my payments. My boss isn't doing anything. I'm responsible for all my decisions in trading. So why am I going to get mad at market? Why am I going to flip off, right? If my boss pisses me off, I don't flip off my boss. I'm my boss. So it's like I'm just going to remain cool, keep my cool, and move on to the next, right? Because, yeah, it's true. Not every opportunity is going to be exciting. Not every trade is going to be fun. Not every loss is going to be an admirable loss where I followed a system entirely, right? I took a pretty stupid loss just now on NQ, trying to short something, trying to short an extremely bearish, an extremely bullish 30-minute wick. Like, what the fuck am I doing, right? I could sit here and start dwelling and go, dude, I suck. What am I doing? But the reality is that's not going to help me. It's not going to help my psychology. It's not going to help me make better decisions, right? So instead, hold myself accountable. Realize that, okay, I should have watched for it to retrace into EQ. That was a bit of a rushed entry. I'm already up on the day. What am I doing, right? And you move on to the next. Yeah, Leo, the youngest in charge? What do you mean youngest in charge? Huh? Say what? Say what? Youngest in charge? What you mean? I'm confused. Hey, Devin, how's it going? Good morning. And yeah, guys, I do apologize. We are, I'm gonna be honest, we a little disheveled today. Just gonna be frank. Your boy is a little disheveled today, man. My alarm didn't go off, so I showed up a bit late to the stream. Just gonna be honest, guys. I showed up a little late to the stream. Sorry about it. You take those gold shorts? Shoulda, woulda, coulda. You took LO longs? I did not. Oh, London. Yeah, London longs. Yeah, I did. Sorry, I abbreviate London as LDN. So I was like, huh? LO. I did not take London. I did take London longs, but I did not take the gold shorts. I really wanted those gold shorts. Also, can we talk about this, guys? Awesome, Brad. I know you're in with me on this. 1.5R continuations. Peep this. 1.5R just hit on these continuations, and we immediately are now reversing off that 1.5. If that's just not the crispiest thing you've ever seen, I think everyone did I think everyone did LDN. Yeah, most people did. It was pretty easy read, to be honest, you guys. And then ain't nothing in this world free. I got bills to pay, I got mouths to feed. True, 1.5R a dime, bro. It's like finding your wife level dime, bro. 1.5R is like actually finding your wife. It's just like, look at this. 1.5R hits, it's an immediate reversal by like 10 points, dude. Also, there goes the bullish C2 as I mentioned. So honestly, this sets up New York nicely though. Off the 30-minute profiling here, we've got this nice 30-minute C2 sweep that formed, right? We'll mark this out as that wasn't 7 a.m. low. 7:30 C2 sweep. We've now retraced into the EQ as well. Discount or premium here. Retracing to premium. Now we validated a sequence. And I think as well we might even have SMT. No SMT, but still. All right, this is crisp. And gold here too setting up nice as well. If we look at these hourly draws, we're tapping into a big hourly gap right now. So I'm gonna actually mark this out as an hourly gap low. 1 hour gap low. Right, so if I go here on the 3, it's a 1 hour gap low we're rejecting off of too. So we've mitigated this hourly gap, so we're likely to see price trend rebalance a bit here. Fuck, this is so fresh, dude. That everyone, true, we got singer number 1 right now, singer number 2 coming soon, bro. I get so excited when I get a stream with Alex, man. You forgot, you just told I gotta get some music. I think today will work great after that bearish week, 100%. I've been trading for 5 hours now. Boss man Jack, I gotta be so frank. What the fuck is you doing, bro? What are you doing, bro? 5 hours on the charts, bro? Isn't the goal of trading to not work a 9 to 5, bro? Your ass work at a 9 to 5. I never do this shit, bro. Your goal was to not work a 9 to 5, and your ass is doing exactly that, bro. What is you doing, dog? YM continuations as well on the 3. Fuck, bro. Look at how fresh, dude. It's so disgustingly good, bro. Wow, equal highs here forming on NQ as well. 1 hour gap low has been mitigated here. Wow, dude. Now we're seeing price rebalance into the EQ, dude. This is such a good read. Okay, lost my thoughts in my head, am I? Time in the market, not timing the market, said by Trader Kane. True. Leo, do you have any videos in your strategy? My entire YouTube channel, Leo Invests. Entire YouTube channel has everything. Kane needs to drop the PSC shirt so we make our own ASAP. Bro, aren't they fire? Dog, Jack, I generally don't even have my own. It's called editing, bro. I genuinely don't have my own. I need one. Stat. That's funny. It's called editing, bro. Freaking wish I did though. Johns are fire, dog. Alright, wine with a deep retrace here. Just want to see. It's gonna probably mitigate this 1 minute gap here. Then see. But I gotta stay in a shot. Shit, I can make him. Fuck it. Bro's got experience with merch. I bought Nasdaq at 825 on the 5 minute chart with a target of 1.5R. At 825 with the target of 1.5R. You dog. You dog. Good stuff, dude. What was the reason for it? Was it the C2 closure here? Was it the C2? That bullish C2 that formed? That potential bullish C2? I cannot say these things that I like. Also, I do apologize about the disheveledness, chat. I was thinking about putting on a hoodie, but we just sticking like this. Tried making my own brand back in the day for like a year. I got the Chinese Connects, though. Hell yeah, he does. Yeah, my boy does. My boy with the Chinese Connects. But I gotta stay. Alright, we're mitigating this 1 minute gap now. Take another shot for the memory. Also, look at that. 1.5R hits. Immediate reversal back into BE, dude. It like, oh. Fucking love this model, bro. I think I'm genuinely, guys, I'm gonna say this egotistically as well. It's the one ego thing you're gonna, I think it's the one egotistical you're gonna hear me say in a while. I genuinely think I'm one of the best continuation traders in the one of the best continuation traders. I wouldn't say in the world because I know some motherfuckers that are way better than me. But Leo, how do you like teaching trading versus trading? I mean, I trade as well. So what do you mean? Teaching trading is fun. It gets me not bored, dude. I'm so bored when I trade myself. I'm genuinely so bored when I trade by myself. So it gives me some sanity. But guys, yeah, I gotta be honest. In a non-egotistical but egotistical standpoint, there's the one thing I will say is I think I'm genuinely one of the best continuation traders. Later, a minute now. Sky Dweller continuation. Yeah, right, bro. Yo, guys, I'm liking this Sky Dweller continuation on the 3 minute here. I cannot believe we've reached a point in trading where motherfuckers call hammer candles Sky Dwellers. Like, what are you smoking, dude? It makes me so sad because people are actually serious as well. Like, this guy is selling a course on this quote unquote whatever, right? He's selling a course on his Skydweller candles when it's literally like you could go on investopedia.com and search up what a hammer candle is. Why always hit on other people? It seriously works. Do we have perks if we use code lab or just luck? Dude, you get perks. Well, you get perks if you do it on PFC, man. Use prop firm compare and get points back for literally every account you're buying. Like, I don't know why you'd be an idiot. Yeah. Fancy names are attractive now. Yeah, but Skydweller, bro, that's a Rolex, bro. I literally, that's one of my, those of you that were on the stream for my watch collection, that's like my pinnacle piece of my watch collection. So it's just like, I can never imagine it being a candlestick. I use lab. Yeah, use code lab. Use code lab, Luffy. Lab is the same code with PFC. Are you a Skydweller? No, dude, I'll show you. I got a search up Skydweller Roman numeral white gold. It's the only flex piece. I said nothing I keep bad for you. You. If I can slow down on your NQ analysis, if you can slow down, yeah, sounds good. I mean, all I'm looking for now, I wouldn't be surprised if we sell a bit lower here on NQ to buy higher, because right now we've got this unmitigated 4-hour gap at the lows here. So I'm looking for New York AM session to sell to potentially buy higher. That's all I'm looking for right now, Nate. There's really not much else special to it. 6-hour, what's 7-hour looking like before somebody gets on me? Massive 7-hour gap as well. We'll likely see New York session sell before buying higher, unless this massive 7-hour gap holds as well. You think we get a continuation on metals? Looks like a lot of LR. Yeah, dude, honestly, I wouldn't be surprised. We also just mitigated an hourly gap. So just looking from an hourly standpoint, we could totally see this as a continuation sequence. We've mitigated this hourly gap and we are now respecting the hourly gap. So if 9 o'clock opens here and we see a bullish run, I could totally see this as an hourly continuation on metals. And if that's the case, I will likely find involvement here on metals for longs. PSP is a precision swing point, so I have a good day and trade low. Use well, Murtaza. A PSP is a precision swing point, so it basically dictates which asset is going to reach the intended draw on liquidity faster based on the higher time frame closure. So if there's two assets that have a bearish sweep, but one bearish sweeps with a bullish closure, the other bearish sweeps with a bearish closure, the one that sweeps with the closure in the intended direction is likely to reach that draw on liquidity faster. Hey, the boy Anthony Crudelli just hit me with a follow on the big Instagram, bro. I'm amped. I said nothing to be there for you. Equal highs on NASDAQ here. We're now forming a potential bearish C2 on the 1 minute. Bruh. Which indicator displays that? It's the T-Trades fractal model indicator. Wow, strong 1 minute here on NQ. I'm a little. Here goes that sell because we have that. I told you guys we have that massive unmitigated 4-hour gap here. So we could see this be a good sell side to this gap. And we have a C2 that formed as well. Nothing that you could say. Come on, come on, come on. I'm a little closer than you see. That's my guy. It was a joke, honestly. It was a joke, honestly. Yeah, Nate. No, you're good, bro. Yeah, I know you're just want to get slow. The analysis, I'll gladly do an analysis slower for you guys as well. Not a worry, boys. Ladies and gents. Come a little closer than you see. Come on, come on, come on. Do you understand the thing that you could? All right, well, we have to wait for 9 o'clock open here. Massive, massive rebalance here off that hourly mitigation on GC. Closer. Hey, Leo, how have you been? What are you looking at? Sue, I'm looking at potentially seeing a NASDAQ sell into this 4-hour gap here, unmitigated 4-hour gap. rebalance some wick price here and then see higher prices on NQ. I think it's very feasible. I think there's potential. Potential is there. I'd love to see that though. Tap into 452s. That'd be great. I think sells into there look incredible. I think they genuinely look incredible. Leo, what do you use for color candlesticks in the background? Black with, I use full black. Full black. How do I check? Full black here with 56% opacity, then full white, slightly gray with 78%. The exact hue as well. Well, I don't know. Something. But slightly white gray. That's what we use. You can't give all my secrets or else you guys won't tune in. I'm joking. Have you guys ever seen Take Profit since I've been watching? I've only seen stop losses mostly. Wait, Dominic, I'm so confused. What's up? He said, "Hey, have you guys ever seen Take Profit, like the prop firm? Or are you talking about like us taking profit on a trade? I've only seen stop losses, mostly from Kane." All right, bro. Sorry about it. Does the swing point need to be the same candle on both for PSV? He's saying you never win. I'm just fucking with him. Of course I know what he means. Like it's something like that, chat. You just have to laugh at. Like what? Like all right, bro. Fair enough. I mean, Dominic, ask anybody in the chat here. I think I've taken numerous wins and numerous losses on stream, but we've been on a we were on a fucking hot streak there, eh, chat? Hope you're doing well though, Dominic. Welcome to the stream, brother. Much love, dude. I'm more laughing at the comment, not at you, dog. It's just funny. It tracks, you know? What's up, Albie? I might try 500, 572, depends on how early opens. Nice. Don't even have to say a thing. I can't claim for funded next purchase on PFC. I'm not sure. I'd have to ask the PFC folks. Swing point needs to be the same candle on both for PFC. It doesn't need to, but that would be considered a candle 2 precision swing point, which basically is one of the that alone, swing point formation and a PSP would be two really good confluences to scout for lower prices. That's is funny, I've been. Let me know. You are more where I go. I'm from Premium and I can prove that Leo is cooking. Legend, Dominic. Thanks, brother. Appreciate the support. We're in the 7-hour gap now. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like, if we reject off the 7-hour encroachment, it's going to just be a rebalance into the lower 7-hour gap and potentially even these 4 hours that form. Like, we have the formation of a potential 4-hour gap here. And we also have some hourlies. Less so, but yeah. It's just we gotta wait for 9:30, boys. There's not much else here for me. Just wait for 9:30. And I'm sorry I'm looking at the wrong time. You're good, Dominic. Not a sweat, brother. I understood it wasn't meant to be a harmful comment. I mean, if you tune into the streams a lot more, you'll see that we're built different, dude. Like, and compared to a lot of the furus you probably are used to seeing online, Dominic, like every loss, every win I take, I'm letting you guys know. I'm not sitting here bullshitting and hiding my losses. Like I just took a loss on stream just now, trying some pretty stupid NQ longs, which I clearly shouldn't have done. But I'm not gonna sit here and hide it, dude. I'm gonna take it like a champ and let you guys know that I took a loss loud and proud, right? Wednesday trade only could have fed you for the whole month, so I don't know what Sean talking about. Yeah, my Wednesday trade was crazy. 200 points short. Crazy. Yeah, Dominic, you're good, brother. I don't mean that to be disrespectful to you. It's like all I can say is spend more time, subscribe, like, spend more time on the stream, and you'll see that like I'm not only transparent, but I'm very consistent with my trading. That's all, you know? It's all love to you, brother. I'm just letting you know the truth, right? Wait, the guy on Twitter that posts 10 mil open P&L screenshot on X isn't real? Yeah, right, dude. That posted using like an open hype long 100x leverage. Yeah, that'd be crazy. But yeah, Dominic, bro, tune in, dog. And guys, if you haven't already, make sure you guys are liking the stream and subscribing if you haven't already. Show some love and support to the lab here, folks. We're here every single day. Guys, this is my 5th New York AM session with you guys this week and my 6th stream alone. Every trade on stream taken live with you guys, right? Mm-hmm. Hey, look, can you please explain your continuation strategy in more detail? I want to code it and backtest it. Solaris, reach out to me on Discord, brother. Reach out to me on Discord, especially if you want to code it. Leo, it's 684. I just put it in chat. Because I've just gone through my model about 100,000 times on these streams. So realistically, like I'm not going to run it through again right now, but I'd love to give you insight on it for sure. Guys, we also have a potential continuation short here forming. We had a micro C2 form with those equal highs here. So shorts here into 9 o'clock open. I might be intrigued. Or this is 9 o'clock already. Sorry, this is 9 o'clock. But a 3-minute continuation short here doesn't look too shabby. I can't lie. I might look to take these guys. I might look to take these continuation shorts. Not a lot of risk either. It's a 9 points of risk. I might do 10 micros on this. It's $20 of risk via $200 of risk. It's really solid. And GC as well heading higher here now off that hourly gap mitigation. Dude, this was such a great read on my end. I'm going to look for this though. If we fail this closure, likely going to lose involvement here, but I do like the look of this. If we can get a closure below this 3-minute low, I'd be interested. Solaris, yeah, reach out to me there, brother. Let me know when you send me a friend request too so I can check it. And let me know what it is.
Screenshot.
Yeah, guys, I do like this potential 9 AM short here on NQ. We have the C2 form kind of rejected the equal highs of it here and an active SMT. Closure here on the 3, I'm going to get involved 100%. And then also we're going to have my beautiful Pookie coming on here, Alex, in a few moments. So stay tuned, guys. My singing buddy's on soon. But yeah, I'm liking this a lot here. So likely going to see if I can get some involvement for sure. And yeah, once again, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you guys are liking the stream and subscribing. I know I say it a lot, folks, but here's the thing. We're hopping on these streams daily with you guys. My literal 6th segment this week with you guys as well. So show some love, show some support, like, subscribe. Let's get the lab to 10K, guys. We got some big goals, right? We're goal-oriented people, so let's make shit happen, eh? Yeah, I'm gonna set some limits here. I'm actually gonna take this on personal as well. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Tell the world I'm coming. Dude, chat, this looks good, man. Fuck, it's not. I don't think we're gonna get filled on limit here, but I'm likely gonna grab a starter on the retrace. I do like the shorts, man. I like the shorts, chat. Damn it. These shorts look good. Damn, that dope. Damn it, chat. Na's gonna run without me. I'm gonna see if we get a bit of a retrace here, but I like this. Yeah, 100% sent you a message. Solaris on Discord. I got you, brother. Let me check. Solaris. I don't think you. Solaris. I don't see you. Solaris. I don't see it, brother. I'll maybe have to wait a sec. I'm gonna see if limits get filled. If limits don't get filled, well, it's a sad day. It's a sad day to be Nasdaq. Damn. All right, chat. Well, it looks like it's gonna run without me here, but we can only see if we get filled on limit or not. But there goes my TP, likely gonna make its way back into those 8M lows too, which is unfortunate, but so be it, eh? Yeah, chat, today I almost pulled a classic Misty Alarm. We'll see if this limit gets filled. I'm going to target those lows with runners too, but now we wait, guys. There's really not much else to do other than wait.
Yo,
Yo, yo, yo, how's it going?
chilling, brother. Are you still in the UK?
Still in the UK, dude. And I'm going to head go visit the grandma in France again too. The whole
When are you coming to
shenanigans.
Florida?
Dude, I got to come at some point, but T was just asked me that yesterday as well. It's slacking. I'm assuming probably September.
Home misses you.
Dude, I know. Oh no, Solaris, my Discord is not Leo the Tiger, dog. It's I put it in chat here. It's just Leo. We'll see.
It's so funny how everyone confuses you.
I know.
Too.
At the prop from Expo, I had like 4 people come up to me and go, "Hey, Leo the Tiger." I'm like, "No, dude."
Yeah.
Hi guys. Yeah.
Good morning,
Hi
everybody.
guys, Beverly here. I'm in shorts today. Tsunami out of way, Beverly. Beverly, you've been on it. What's your gotta have 100% win rate at this point?
I'm actually so happy it's Friday.
Bless up, bro.
Yeah. Happy Friday, everybody.
Oh my god, there goes my TP. All right, it's gonna run without me. That's all right.
What we got? What do we have?
What type of sauce we got coming on here, boys?
What we got right here, boys?
God damn.
I feel
Dude,
like next week's gonna be cleaner.
I would agree with that.
Yeah.
This week was a bit of a tougher one for sure. It's right. All right, well,
Sometimes
limit
you really
wasn't
just gotta sit back. Sorry.
limit.
Go
Yeah, I know you're good. Sorry, I was just saying limit wasn't filled here, so likely just gonna have to fade this. That's gonna be my TP now, 1.5R. Just running without me, man. All right, well, all good. At least a decent read. I just like that for a move back into 8M lows. Yeah, there goes the TP I originally wanted, folks. GG's Nasdaq, well done. 8M lows and bound.
Are you short biased?
I'm short right now, because right now we're tapping into we're in the encroachment of a 7-hour gap, and we're currently forming a pretty fat 4-hour gap on NQ. So for me, I want to see Nas sell off into that 4-hour gap, create more of a wick fill, then buy higher during New York Open. That's my bias. Sell lower to buy higher today, which it's actually doing beautifully right now. That was my bias from the morning. And oh, dude, my full TP is gonna hit now. It would have been 3R. That's so unfortunate. See, in a trade like this, guys, I should have just taken market order. I told you guys I was less confident limit was gonna get filled here. We see that we literally formed a devil's wick on the low this 1 minute as well. Immediately, lack of retrace. So sadly, there goes my TP. But at least the bias is there, boys. Can't complain fully.
Boys, you know the deal. We get to 100 likes, I'll give away 2 50K accounts.
Yes.
Just letting you guys know, if we get to 100 likes, I'll give away 2 50K TPT accounts. 3 days to pass, boys.
Dude, that's legendary. Like the stream, guys. Not only are we providing education, I know some of you motherfuckers took that short as well. You guys are taking that short and I'm not, and I just have to sit here and look pretty while y'all banking. I have 100 lots on short in Exodus. Been waiting for the setup since yesterday. Wish it pays. Wish it pays. That shit should be paying, Beverly.
Beverly Hills. Beverly Hills. That's where I want. Dude, I actually haven't thought about that song in
Dude,
forever.
that was a throwback for me just then.
Holy shit.
You got all my love, all my love, all my love.
I've been watching I don't know if you've seen Entourage, the show.
I've heard of it. I haven't watched it, but
Bro,
everybody
it's
who's watched.
actually really good. It's really good. I think you would like it.
I must give it a listen. I'm so annoyed about this. I literally knew it as well. I was like, I'm not. I said I'm not gonna get filled on limit, and I even said I'm gonna likely just take some starters here. I'm actually an idiot. That was decent. But guess what, guys? On the psychology side, what's happening in 18 minutes? New York Open. What does that mean for us, guys? It means we're gonna wait. Yup. Crazy word. A lot of you haven't heard that, guys. We're gonna wait for a setup. Boom.
Boom.
It don't get better than this. I like the way you
Weezer
say
underrated. I wouldn't say they're underrated. Like back then it wasn't, obviously, but right now, I mean, yeah. 174. Again, if we get to 100 likes, boys, we'll give away those two accounts.
174. We haven't even hit the New York Open yet, guys. I fucking love
Basically, a
that.
freebie. Throwing y'all a freebie.
Real. You guys just have to click one button. You have the chance of getting a free like what $130 account. Crazy.
Beverly Hills.
I had 4 wins today. I thought I wouldn't take any more trades. So the setup was clean. Hit 2R again. Sue, you're a dog. And just trading them continuations too. I know for a fact you've been eating. Sue's been eating.
Bro, what's
Dude,
your
I'm
favorite city?
favorite city?
Yeah.
Can't lie. I'm gonna have to go Paris, dude. Like big city, like major city.
Yeah.
I think I gotta go Paris, dude. I might gotta go
Really?
Paris. Yeah. Or
I mean, I
major
loved
city.
Paris when I went. I loved it. I felt everyone was nice to me. You know?
In Paris?
Yeah.
Yeah, Paris is great, dude. People shit on it too often, but I love it. I think it's
Yeah, I
great.
think people was who's in Paris?
Yeah. Anybody else? T had a good experience there because he was like with a Frenchie. It's like, oh, this was awesome. Kane agrees too. When you're with a Frenchie, bro, it makes it so much better. Also, guys, look at this. We're selling off in that 4-hour gap. It was so clean. These shorts were so clean, bro. Fuck. I must be an idiot. Idiot. Well, what's nice though is, guys, you know what this means for me, right? What does this mean, guys? This means your boy's gonna be potentially scouting some New York Open longs if we can mitigate this 4-hour gap that's forming.
I'm gonna fucking long this open, bro.
Dude, it would be crisp.
I'm
Longs off
longing
the
the
open would
fuck
be fresh. We're
out of this open.
also forming a C3 continuation on silver as well, bro. The setups are here, chat. Ready to eat on a Friday. Bro said the
I'm ready to
song.
buy some calls.
Can I say it?
Yep.
Blank in Paris. That's what he said. That's funny. Look at chat. Market entry,
Well, he
honestly,
could
whenever.
say it.
Yeah. The stop is so small. There was a 9-point stop. Realistically, I should have market order entry that because this would have been a trade I would have held runners into this 4-hour gap. I told you guys earlier, I'm looking for I want this 4-hour gap to get mitigated and see longs off the New York Open. And it's gonna happen. I love Leo's accent. Do I have an accent? Huh? Thanks, Nella. What accent do I have?
I love Leo.
Thanks, bro. I love you too. Holy shit, bro. I just got Deuced by Kyle Rich playing right now. By 41 and Kyle Rich. A holy tune. Oh my god. Oh my god, chat. Hold up. This is cooking.
Wait, what's going on?
It's Deuce by 41 and Kyle Rich. Get this song on right now, dude. I swear to God, it's actually so bang.
Are you listening to music too?
Yeah, right now I am.
Oh shit. Yeah, sometimes I do that. Like I just have it on
Dude,
in my
I've been only
headphones.
doing it recently pre-market, dude. It kind of gets me in like a banging
Yeah,
mindset.
yeah.
Like right
Nah,
now, I
music
just
is
want.
such a crazy.
I used to not do. Oh,
I low-key
but
want to get the those water headphones, the earphones.
yeah,
That would be sick, bro. I feel like I would actually enjoy swimming.
dude, I know. He's so nice. So equal highs on NQ, but here's the thing. ES formed a C2, right? We formed a proper C2 on ES here, equal highs. All that means for me now is if we can mitigate this 4 hour gap, I can expect New York Open now to chase those equal highs on NQ. So I'm not worried about it. That's the reason I didn't trade the original C2. Equal highs would have only been concerned for me trading C2. But here's the thing. C3 played out, baby. So that equal high doesn't mean shit for me until the New York Open now. Multitasking layout, yeah. Wait, Nella, now I'm so confused. What accent do I have? Bro's got me asking questions.
Do I sauna? Hell yeah, I sauna.
Oh my, bro, why is this it's so toony right now? What a good mood for Friday, bro. Holy fuck.
Jamming out.
Dude, I got like some intensive rap right now, and I'm kind of just digging it, dude. I'm just letting it take me,
13
chat.
minutes till the open.
4 hour gap's about to be tapped in here, guys. That does well. No, it's technically not a 4 hour gap, guys, because it's just the wick formation of this new 4 hour that formed, aka the 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. What I'm saying is it wants to wick fill a bit more here before we see an expansion. You guys get what I'm saying. Those of you that know me, you know me. That's all I'm gonna say. Oh my lord, bro. Would have been a beautiful trade to that 4 hour.
Alex, do you like cheesecake? Cheese steaks. Sorry.
Cheesecakes.
Yeah, I like cheesesteaks. I don't eat them that often though. I've probably had maybe like two in the past 10 years.
Hell yeah, I sauna, Alex. Quoted, bro. There we go. That's the tap in the 4 hour, guys. I can't lie. Longs of the New York Open. If this gets invalidated and we see this 4 hour fully fill here, though, won't lie. I'm fading it till 10:45, but I can't lie. This looks pretty saucy right now, guys. I'm gonna be. Yeah, and gold and silver a little bit more rangy. So I'm just watching for open here, but dude. Give 2 cents about gold layout right now. I mean, I honestly think it hourly here looks potential for a continuation. If we see 9 o'clock here close above 46.54, I'm gonna watch for 10 o'clock to retrace with the EQ of 9 o'clock's range, and then honestly just look to long the shit out of gold. If we don't, then I'm not interested in getting involved here. We'll likely just fade commodities entirely. Dude, this is crisp, man. Oh my God. I would post this just as a recap for you guys here, because this is nice. See, even if I don't take it, guys, this is a trade I mapped out. I would love to just do like recaps for you guys. So you guys are aware as to, where my thought process lied for me to be interested in even taking a trade like this. Guys, which copy trader can you recommend? Depends, dude. I use TradeSyncer. I love it. I think TradeSyncer is great, but to each his own.
I don't use the copy trader, so I don't know.
He's just saying that he's better than you. Just if you understood what he meant by that.
I have 5 trade of 8 tabs open, and I just put buy market 1, click on the other tab, buy market 1, click on the other tab.
It's actually crazy work, bro. Leo, explain me something. You missed the setup this clean. How do you keep your calm? Sue, setups are gonna form every day, and if not every day, every other day, right? It's like with these continuation sequences, that's the nice thing is these setups are always present. So yes, am I missing the setup? Yes. Am I bummed about it? A little bit. I'm not gonna deny it. But here's the reality. Would I rather chase a trade and potentially be more in drawdown and put more risk on the table, or would I rather wait for another clean setup to form? I've got experience in the market, so if this just doesn't want to give me a setup all day, I'll move on to next week. I'm green on the week, so be it. It's like you have a bad day at work, you don't just quit your job and flip out, right? You guys got to think about it like that. Like if you have a bad day at work, you don't just quit your job and put your letter of resignation 2 weeks in advance after one bad day. You come back the next day and then maybe it's a better day. Same thing with models, dude, except we're our own bosses here. That's the only difference between this and a normal like 9 to 5 job.
I won't deny you. I'm a straight rider.
Having a VWAP here, anchored VWAP on NQ, so we might actually see this bounce off this as well. Sue, that's the reality, right? And Sue, you of all people should know this. You're literally taking fucking 6 to 8 continuation trades a day. You miss a trade, or you get impressed about it? No, because you know another one's gonna form. Have a bad day at work every day and still there, little Sloan. Real. If I'm not chasing trades, I'd take about 2 trades a day. 2 trades a day, so about anywhere between like 8 to 15 trades a week. It really depends. If continuations are playing, I do capitalize on it, so I do trade a lot, but I also have the risk appetite where I'm able to do that. A lot of you just get greedy for more. I just genuinely can see when market is more presentable or less presentable from my model. That's the difference between you and me, chat. I'm joking.
See, that's the difference.
That's the difference. You're just not listening. That's the difference.
I could call out some greedy people in chat right now.
No, some hungries. Some hungry frickers. You trade multiple sessions, London and New York AM. My luck this week is that I only managed to catch the losses and miss all the winners. Dominic, and guess what, dude? Maybe next week you'll catch all the winners and none of the losers. Right? That's the reality of it, Dominic. Like, I know it sounds kind of cliche, but I'm being realistic here, right? You guys have seen me on red streaks. You've seen me take bad trades and good trades. It's the reality of it. Leo cocky as fuck, XD. Yeah, I was just messing with you guys, dude. Bez, I'm just messing with you guys. But I will say I feel like I do have the right to be cocky at time to time because I worked for this, man. Day and night.
Day and night.
Are you guys still looking to buy low, boss? Can't lie. I mean, it depends on how we react off the New York Open here. If we see an aggressive bounce off this 4-hour gap, I'm going to definitely look for longs to the New York Open. No bounce off this 4-hour, and if we just completely wick fill this 4-hour, I'm honestly going to be looking for, like 29 twos even, to be honest, like 29 3, 29 2. Ideally looking for us to bounce off this.
How to filter setup like this and not the choppy one?
Set up like this and will not be a choppy one. Bits, sometimes, biggest thing to look for is direction. I say this all the time, guys. I'm going to say this one time to you folks. If you're looking to find consistency in markets, and especially, let's say you're trading, I'm just going to talk about my model here for a second. If you are trading continuations and you get a validation of a continuation trade, and you are, actually, before the validation of a continuation trade, if candlesticks are showcasing small bodies and big wicks, that is an indecisive market. Sellers are outbidding buyers, buyers are outbidding sellers, and there's indecision. What does that typically lead to? Lower probability setups. However, a trade like this, we left equal highs, immediately retraced into a gap, immediately were met with strong bearish appetite, right? Bears stepped in, aggressively closed below this OB. This is showcasing to me that sellers are more engaged than buyers in a market. Just looking at the candlestick, I can see that, right? So pay attention to how candlesticks are moving and closing, because wicks and bodies do tell the overall story of where a market wants to move. That's the reality of it, guys. I've said this, I could not even tell you how many times at this point now.
A gazillion million times.
Gazillion, quintillion, bajillion times. Also, we are just flying through that 4-hour gap. So we might see an invalidation of these longs. Depends, though. If that 4-hour holds, this will be nice for us. If not, GG's.
GG's.
Wow, that's a fly. Oh my god, that just makes my short look even better. Thank you, Jack.
GG's.
Took an hour ago. I'm looking for yesterday. Leslie might get stopped. Beverly, you're killing it. I mean, manage your risk. Trader said, yeah, truly. The FOMO eventually goes away. You've been in the game long enough to know today or tomorrow you're going to get that clean trade and get that payout. Yeah, Sue, like, Stop rushing it. You ain't got no reason to rush. Relax, relax.
Stop rushing it.
Another
It's
14-hour
okay.
loading today? Yeah, it'd be sweet.
Boys, we're already at 5.16.
I know. Crazy.
Holy shit. 10K
12K.
incoming.
12K bagged on that short. Thank you, Leo. Sis. Okay, brother. Sorry. Sorry about it. Sorry about it. Fucking hey, good stuff,
This guy's
dude.
fucking printing.
Dude just casually had to fucking slap his dick on the table and say
Fucking
it's bigger than mine,
printing.
dude. Jesus. Good stuff, Zyra. Did you actually? I'm assuming that's not a troll tweet because I see the heart emoji, but good stuff. Well, I'm glad you enjoyed the short. It was quite an easy read there, to be frank.
4 minutes. 4
Oh, I missed-
minutes.
Yeah.
I kind of
EX
have
is
what
all
I'm
here.
looking for on the chart. Like I just drew it out.
Yeah.
That's kind of what I'm looking for, boys. My collar blue, but my neck is red.
My collar blue, my neck is red.
That's how it feels to trade NQ this week.
Yeah, yeah, right. That's funny as fuck. All right, we've now tapped the encroachment of this 4-hour gap. This will be the decider, guys. Will we head higher? Will we head lower? If New York Open pops off that encroachment, dude, these longs are going to be crisp. And I'm talking closure here above 447 right now would just make this like, oh my, speak of a pop there, dude. There goes a big encroachment reaction there.
Holy shit.
Oh
What the
my
fuck?
gosh. Okay, and
Yo.
what was I saying, guys? Hey, encroachment, if we can see some longs off the open, dude, this will be so fresh, chat. We're about to confirm a C2 off this. That's a C2. And immediately met with a... No, don't give me the pre-New York move, dude.
My
Don't give me the
God.
longs pre-New York, dude. What are they doing?
Oh
What are
my
they
God.
doing? Which gap is this? It was the formation of a gap. It was a wick fill. This wasn't even a confirmed 4-hour gap yet, guys. It was just a wick fill on the 4-hour. Dude, it's confirmed.
Did ES take that low?
What are we doing, Nasdaq?
Fuck no, it
They're
didn't.
giving me the pre-New York longs, bro.
Yo,
Dude.
bugging.
I would honestly be tempted to take a limit at the I'm not getting that yet, but I'm really tempted to take a limit here off the open and just let that ride. I could see us wick back in the OB, refill some price at that. This one will be hard if I do take this. This would be a hard one to alert because it'll be a quick entry, but I'm gonna see how we play off the open first. I'm
Bro,
quite
they better
confident.
not just pop this.
I know. I honestly think it's gonna need a rebalance, dude. I think we're gonna tap back to the OB at the open. That's my hot take because we have this massive. We're tapping into the EQ here. We're currently in discount still, off the previous 15-minute range. I want it to reject off the EQ, tap into this OB, and give me my sequence. Chat, I don't know if I'll be alert in this one, but I'll try my best. PO3 and Pally, guys. Yeah, dude. I mean, give me my sequence before the open, dude. I'm freaking out here, man.
I think that might have been a bamboozle move.
You reckon?
47, 17, 30-point stop. Ugh, I don't even know how I feel about that.
Stay low.
It's too long. It's too long to apologize. It's too late.
It's too late. I got so stay low. Da, 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 da. All right, there goes the New York Open. There's a tap into the OB.
Oh,
Is it gonna be an immediate
nah, it'll bring it lower. I think they were bamboozling.
It's gonna go lower, 100% here. Yeah, you're right. Imagine it doesn't though, chat. Legendary trade if that tags. For those wondering as well, I took this for fun with 3 micros. It's a very limited risk. I'm just targeting 1.5. I just want to see if this will hold. I doubt it will based on this 930 reaction, but I do like SMT here. I'm tagging at the OB for a quick 1.5R, and I'm using the. Just so you guys are aware, this is literally what I'm trading right now on 3 micros. I think we're gonna definitely get invalidated here, but. And this, by the way, was not a copy traded trade. Let me be clear, guys. I'm not gambling that. All right, that's an invalidation of that. Was the bamboozle move in that 4-hour gap? Resweeped out the low here. Now we just wait. We must wait to see what happens.
We must wait.
Must wait to see what Nasdaq decides to do, bro.
Just a little lower, I feel. 372. Just a little bit.
I'll see. I could get behind that.
Just a little lower. Thank you. Come on.
Humbled XD. Oh, I mean, I took that on one. I took that on one top step. Beza, bro, you're like the biggest fan and the biggest hater in this chat. I'm just gonna be frank with you. You're like the biggest fan and the biggest
Sometimes,
hater.
yeah.
It's hella funny.
Sometimes.
Sometimes I feel how many accounts did you blow today, Beza? I feel like it's very mood dependent on how many accounts you've blown.
Come on, just a little lower. I just need those 70s.
I can see that. They got that low. I see what you're watching. I see.
Yeah. Okay. So either we just fucking die or we actually get something nice out of here.
I
I don't like catching falling knives though. That is one
know.
thing.
I'm not a fan.
Don't like doing that.
I'm watching the candlesticks real time on my phone at the same because trading view's lagging. It's actually so sick. I'm having a blast just watching this.
70s.
She is everything I need. She is everything I needed.
This might be premature, but kind of want to take a stab at some. Nah. Waiting for at least a 30-second here. 2 minutes till the next 5-minute candle opens.
I know. I'm just waiting. Nothing from me here, by the way, chat. We wait. Patience on this one for me.
W patience.
That's all we got to do, guys.
Even when the sky comes falling down.
Yes, quite weak here as well, though. She is everything I needed. I won't tell.
And it's heavy to the downside here.
It is. Yes, popping a bit here as well. We could see Nas pop off this, honestly. Yeah, there's really not much for me here, guys. Now we just wait. So cool seeing the real tick by tick candles on Ninja Trader though, dude. So nice. It's like it makes it so visually appealing to see. Yeah, nothing from here, guys. Hourly on gold's also retapping back that 1 hour gap. So there's nothing from me here right now, folks.
New 5-minute candle here. Previous 5-minute low. Now we could. I'm looking for something maybe, but this looks really strong to the downside here, boys. Might keep it a buck.
Me too. I love Alex. Yeah, it looks like we might actually see downside invalidation longs here for me. I think as of right now, that's an invalidation of longs. I'm gonna watch the C945, but it's that's kind of wraps for me on looking for longs here at the open. She is everything I need, but what's our next kind of key level here? We've got midnight open Friday, the midnight 12 o'clock low here on Friday. That could be a decent area since we had a nice pivot there. So I could see us retrace to 29,321 here as well if I needed to. Just watching these 1 minutes closely though, because for me now, if we can see some type of reversal form, that'll likely mean a 945 will retrace back to the 930 move. So patience, guys. Don't be an idiot. Come on now. ICT displacement to previous daily low. It's feasible. Yeah, I can see that being the case as well. I'm more looking to see how we can react off this midnight. This 321 here. 321.25. It's not bad. I think we could get a decent reaction off that.
Even if the sky comes falling down. Can we get Michael J. Huddleston on the stream? Yeah. I'll tweet at him. I'll be like, yo.
Guest appearance, bro.
Guest appearance, ICT.
Could you be our quant ICT? Alex and Leo, what are your thoughts on Bitcoin bounce? I mean, I got not much
that
on
shit
it, dude.
Bounce, bro.
Shit bounced. Shit bounced. Shit just fucking bounced, bro.
That shit bounced, bro.
That shit went crazy, bro.
What you want me to say, bro?
I honestly got not much to say about it. Like, it was kind of consolidating around mid to high 60s for a while, so it doesn't surprise me that we're seeing it bounce now. Like, there's really not. I don't do Bitcoin quant, dude. I'm sorry. I got no idea.
This is fucking crazy.
There's a bounce off that midnight low. I want to see if we reject off that a bit.
Honestly, I'm happy with an expansion in either direction. I'll take an expansion.
Yeah.
Honestly, at this point, I'm happy with an expansion. It does feel like what's it called? It does feel like QQQ wants the 710. It has like these random lows. We'll see. We're stepping into MOC of previous day, so Thursday MOC market on close. So it could be nice here. I just don't. Again, I don't want to catch a fucking falling knife.
There's that reject off that pivot I was talking about. The 12 o'clock lows from last night. Quite solid. I think we're probably gonna rebalance, hit that, resweep that again. Yeah, there we go. Nice little resweep there. Yeah, not much from here, guys. Can't lie. It's gonna be a patience kind of day for me again, as you guys know.
Yeah.
Wait for
I had a plan.
Didn't
play out. So it is what it is, man.
Move on to the next, baby.
Yeah. It is what it is.
That's all we can do, bro.
Can't do anything else about it.
Yeah, actually though, there's literally nothing else, guys. Just what. Wanted that minute 3 FTG top to move lower to Asia, but man, yeah, I mean, so be it, right? We can all find our models, but if it doesn't form, dude, there's no reason to force it, dude. We wait for 9:45, we see if market's going to give us something more presentable. If not, we wait for 10, nothing after 10, then you just fucking call it a day.
You go home to the kids.
Go home to the kids.
The wife and kids.
You ain't going to feed the family by taking a bad trade, let me tell you. Kids ain't going to get fed that way.
The kids ain't going to get fed.
Just saying.
If you're taking bullshit trades because some motherfucker on Instagram
said to long sky dweller candles, bro. Just saying, bro.
Because some dude on Instagram.
Real, dude. Alex spitting facts, chat. Pay attention. Pay attention.
Oh, and don't feel bad if you didn't take a trade and then you go on Instagram and you see some dude like, oh, I made fucking $47,000 today.
Here's how I made your net worth in one trade. All right, bro. Calm down. Pipe down, little bro.
Yeah. I love this version of you. More of this.
More of this, dude. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Guys, the same thing as yesterday. Remember I was mentioning that trade? August 6th low longs, bro. Now we at 12 o'clock. Dude, they're so nice, guys. We literally are rejecting off of an hourly sky dweller candle, bro.
Oh, dude, the sky dweller.
Bro, genuinely, look.
The guys, sky dweller.
It's actually an hourly sky dweller. We're bouncing off.
Do we have a 5-minute sweep here?
Hourly sky dweller. This looks better. I mean, there's not a lot of aggression here, so likely no involvement for me. But also look at gold, by the way. If we can see 9 o'clock close above 54 here, I'm very interested in looking for higher time frame longs, which I will be taking on the personal account. caught the high of day. Beverly, you're killing it, Beverly. Beverly, do you trade full time? What's your story? We gotta hear your story, Beverly.
Beverly Hills. See, I'm gonna give some longs a go here. I think. I just want to see a nice little.
What the fuck is a sky dweller? Andy, it's a joke. I don't mean to confuse anybody in chat. It's just a hammer candle. Some guy on Instagram tried to sell a course teaching people about the best reversal strategy in trading, and he was basically renaming hammer candles to sky dweller candles. Andy, it was just a joke, dude. It's just a hammer candle. It's a reject off of a hammer candle wick low, not a sky dweller. I'm fully messing with you. Confused
boys.
chat.
I'm in this long. Low risk, pretty much just 2 micros on each account. Stop is at the 319 low, and if we can get above the 383s, then I might like to go break even. This is high risk, so I am fucking super small size on this, boys. Super small size.
Wow, nice pop there. Jeez.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, if we can get back into the 70s, I'll look to go break even on this.
I'm really
if we can see
reclosure back above 66.75, and I would look for 945 continuation longs. But computer, please give my boy a winning OB trade.
A winning trade.
A winning trade. Yeah, I'm loving it more than Dubai. My first year, thanks. Yeah, nice. I'm sure you like. I mean, Dubai though is not too shabby considering tax benefits of Dubai. You know what I'm talking about.
You know what I'm saying?
I wish I could get Dubai taxes. I'm getting destroyed by California.
Dubai rich. Dubai whips.
Yeah, Dubai whip.
Damn, this thing is fucking struggling, man.
I know. It's kind of, it reminds me of the open of yesterday with Nasdaq, dude. Just like wicks and small bodies here.
Oof. Yeah, it's coming for me, boys. Stop filled on this, I think. But I will take it. Honestly, I will take it.
I think it's a good attempt. We had a nice little sweep.
Yeah, it's like a $60 loss, so I'm not too pissed about it.
I guarantee if we looked at footprint, by the way, there would still be some fat orders resting at 29,321 right now. If I had a footprint chart open right now, I could guarantee we're going to have multi-block orders here on footprint. Just saying. I've seen this one too many times.
I've seen this one too many times. Yeah, boys. How many likes are we at, actually?
I'll be getting close to 100.
We're at 79. 21 left, and then we'll do some account giveaways, boys. That's the truth. Truth and reconciliation.
See if we're gonna reject off that low. If we're gonna head back higher. This is an interesting level here on NQ. Not too keen on this, man. Just kind of rejecting off of the 12 o'clock low from New Day, from Daily Open. So I don't know. There's really not much from here, guys. Even Dubai is, look at yesterday lows, just check. Yeah, yesterday lows, nice. I don't want like ES mugging you off. Yeah, dude, ES and YM here, dude. Naz is just being its own weird trooper. Might get an invalidation on these gold longs that I want as well. So this is really, for me, guys, it might just be a no Friday involvement until 10 o'clock here, or not at all, because, I mean, a lot more short than I was anticipating for today.
Pro ES might actually give the clean.
Yes.
What are SPY calls looking like?
That's so funny. I was literally just opening a...
Because I low-key want SPY calls. If NQ is gonna fuck around and die. 766 for 90 cents, really? Shit. Call me
dude. Yes, not given that. I mean, we could look for, that's the new 15-minute open, and we saw a sweep there. So if we can get that confirmation above 348 here, guys, that's a change in state.
And we have a divergence.
Now we watch.
ES has a swing as well on the 15. This looks fucking good. I'd be a fool to not potentially play this. Call me a fool.
Call me a fool. I've been running a bag up.
I'll wait and see if we did it tap it back into the
I actually really
765s.
like this, dude. Those 12 o'clock low swept. If 1 minute confirmation higher here, it could be crisp.
Yeah, I'm in some calls here. I'll fucking throw in a couple bucks.
Wow. Oh, this looks good. I'm watching that 1 minute closure. Confirm me that, and then this will be nice because that's a 9:45, new 15 minutes. So C2, that means 10 o'clock here looks presentable, or we could even trace a C2 continuation here.
Come on, SPY or ES. What I'm really scared of is like a massive drop candle in like 5 seconds. Like that's really what fucking scares me.
What MBT long is? Put 19K on shorts, 100 lots. There you go, Beverly. Smashing it out the park. It's just rebalance that 1 minute gap. Heading right back to those lows, dude.
Yeah, seems like it.
Yeah, it's gonna be resweep. All right, it's gonna be a failed C2 then. It's gonna be another resweep at 9:45. So yeah, if we resweep out this and fail this C2, guys, can't lie. I think this is just gonna be a fade the open for me here. I just got no reason for involvement if that's the case.
Man, I will say the open on ES is not as pretty, to be honest. Like this is kind of ugly looking at it from this perspective.
Yeah, I really don't like this, dude. I like the invalidation of this C2 here. So, AK, no C2. What does that mean, chat? No C3s. Looking for C2 close in minute 30. Nice. Yeah, minute 30. See, higher time frame context today is really clean. I like the higher time frame context on most assets today. It's literally just YM looks a little cleaner. Yeah, that is true, especially off these longs, but I don't know. Not to my cup of tea shit.
Alex Shart, yeah. Mike Shart. 12 likes to go, boys.
12 likes, guys. Make sure we have literally 200 of us on the stream. 12 of you like the stream, and we're giving away free accounts to you guys whilst providing education, teaching you guys to fish for yourselves as traders. So
whilst trading.
Just a couple dogs, bro. That's all there is, chat. Just a couple dogs.
That's all we are.
There's a chance that 1 minute protected low might hold. Wait, that's so weird. Oh, MNQ hasn't sweat. We have a divergence. MNQ. This is still a valid C2 on MNQ, guys, off the 45, but not on NQ. Wow. MNQ here is still holding that low. It's a valid C2 on MNQ. So I think we'll likely see NQ push higher here then. Oh, blinding, like some monochrome, hold you. Like you. 3 accounts. Ooh, we're gonna do it again. Initial move, then barcode. Yeah, right. I mean, if that's the case, guys, then you've answered your own question on having no. Oh, that's 100 likes, by the way.
Oh shit.
100 likes in the stream. Yep.
100 likes.
100 okay. Flat. Wow, MNQ held that C2, guys. That's impressive.
That's fucking crazy.
MNQ held it by literally about a point. NQ did not. So we have a new C2 forming here on NQ. I do like that ES and YM here are, I mean, not ES. I like that YM's trending higher, but we'll just have to watch and see what MNQ decides to do here, folks. Ladies and gents. hold you.
Hold you, need you.
Mm-hmm. Life's a monochrome. Hold you like you. Wow, dude, MNQ held that well, and YM is just pumping off that. We just got a continuation on YM. Can't lie, I'm a little tempted here. I'm a little tempted on YM. YM
For
looks
some
good
longs?
for some longs on YM.
I see it, bro.
I'm a little tempted here. I'm gonna tag light size here at the OB. See if we get tagged. Wow, missed my. All right, I'm tagged in at the OB. I'm trying this light as well, guys. It's a de-risk Friday for me today, folks.
Yeah.
Only thing is that YM did sweep out kind of that relevant 9 o'clock high. So it's the only thing. But guys, I'm trying this with. I've got yeah about $140 of risk on this.
All right, boys. I'm gonna get the trading bot, or not the trading bot, the giveaway bot.
The trading bot.
Set up.
All right. Well, we're in on YM now. Let's see what happens. NQ's just pumping lower now. 10 o'clock open in 8 minutes as well. We'll see what happens. I like it tapped into the EQ as well here, but we'll see. The lab live is no longer niche. What do you mean, Jack? Gold lagging big time. Hey, has anyone told you should be on the radio so I can turn you off? Lol. Yikes.
I don't know if that's like, is that a compliment? I feel like
dude.
Alex is nice. I think it's a compliment, but I think it was just said the wrong way.
I think that was I think that was a diss because I don't stop talking.
Big. Yeah, give us, well, keep in mind the TPT team is probably dealing with a lot of giveaways right now. So just give them a little bit of time. Don't worry. They know who won. They know your guys' emails. So just give them a second and they'll get back to you. Don't worry. Tsunami incoming. Oh, yeah. What's up, NT? NTOH3VI.
The full name.
Honey, need you.
Like
You guys are now commercial. The Alex and Leo show, morning show.
Yeah, dude. Should do a game night with Alex and I. Welcome
Game
back
night.
to game night with Alex and I, bro.
What would we play though?
Minecraft. Hardcore. The electric, bro.
Bro, I'm not gonna
200
lie. I'm
likes and we
actually
do.
cracked.
Dude, 200 likes and Alex and I will literally stream on the lab live a Minecraft night together, bro.
Bro, I used to host
Of
Hunger
course you
Games
did, but you
servers.
fucking sweat, bro. Wet. Fucking sweat.
I used to host Hunger Games servers, bro.
Alex, I know
fun.
you're just messing, Alex. I do talk, like, full transparency though, I don't stop talking, bro. I've gotten so used to the whole streaming gig that I literally have just gotten so used to talking. I just don't stop.
Same.
Because it's like, it's just filling the blank space now.
Okay, I'll make you guys another deal. If we get to 150 likes, I'll give away 3 accounts. That's not that bad of a deal.
That's not that bad of a deal at all.
If we get to 150, there's 180 of us in here. If we get
Tag
to
that on
150
YM,
likes,
by the way, folks. Tag that on YM. Just letting you know.
I'll still give away the 2, but if we get to 150, I'll give away 3.
So that puts me up on the personal account today, guys. A whopping $168.58. Or unfunded, sorry.
Alex Minecraft PvP 1v1. I'll 1v1 anyone in either Minecraft or Destiny.
Turns on hacks.
If you can beat me in a 1v1 in Destiny, I will personally give you a free account.
Yeah, Destiny, you'd smoke me. I will gladly do a 1v1 on Fort though. Any day.
Oh, but shit, I just suck at building. I can't build, bro.
Dude, I would do a 1v1 on Fort any day.
Build.
I think we're still gonna get a validation of why I'm here, guys, for longs, but yeah, wanted to trace deeper into the EQ, so that's unfortunate. Also, give me a sec. I just got a notification that somebody's trying to get into my public brokerage right now. Some
Oh shit.
member support just messaged me. Give me just a second, chat. Try not to get my investment account.
What's up, Shelby? Shelby Watson. She'll be watching. Sorry, yeah.
Here's your good, bro.
Okay, one sec.
Chat, give me 1 second here.
Yeah. I'm gonna set up the giveaway real quick for you boys. Don't worry. If I'm not oh fuck.
Oh, look at these. Yeah, YM is actually going to validate these longs and NQ now just popping, bro. Phew. All right, guys. Well, now for me, I'm going to watch to see if this is going to be a true C2, then just trade a continuation off that. All I can do is literally just play patient.
Okay. Streaming title 50K. I'm actually going to set this to a timer
What's up,
of 8
Shelby? Good
minutes.
morning, morning.
And the keyword, I'm just letting you guys know, you guys don't have to put the keyword yet. I'll let you know when. But the keyword or key sentence is I love Leo.
Legend.
So there's going to be 3 winners.
We should say somebody mentioned how'd somebody fear of them getting through my 2-factor? That's concerning. Hold up, chat. I'll be active with you guys in just a sec. I just have a big long-term investment account that somebody's trying to hack into. Shout out public for reaching out to me on the spot, though. Legends.
Yeah, just give me a second, boys. I'm just setting it up. No rush, no rush.
All right. Come on, let's play an account. Let's win. Apologies, I was on tape delivery. All good, dude. Wow, NQ here respecting the C2 though, so we could actually look for potential 10 AM continuations. But yeah, I think for me right now, I'm just gonna probably hop off in just a sec here, folks. I got not much from the open.
All right, boys. So I'm going to drop the link in chat. That is the link for the giveaway. So all you have to do is head over to the link, click on the link, and then enter your YouTube username. And then in chat, you have to type I love Leo. ILOVELEO.
Legend.
So head over towards the link. Link is in chat. I'm pretty much just spamming it. And then I'll have Production, if you can pin the link, please. I'm gonna send it to you. Where's production? Gavin. There we go. I sent you the link. Production, if you can just pin the link, please. Oh, perfect. The link is now pinned. Make sure to head over to the link. You guys got about 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Enter your YouTube username at the bottom where it says your entry. And then in chat, type I love LEO. All together, no spaces. It's all together. Yo, look at chat, bro.
Let's see. Holy cow, you guys are sick. Do I LARP with this, chat? Do I LARP with this? Oh my god, you guys are nuts. Holy cow. You're so funny, Alex, bro. Jack actually just put it as we love you, Lev. Legend. I love Alex. There you go, Dylan. Yeah, we love Alex, bro. Yes.
I know we didn't get to 150, but we're doing 3. Okay, we'll do 3 accounts, so there can be 3 winners.
Damn. Now chat's active. Y'all gotta be active for the most part, man. Jeez, Louise. You guys are crazy, bro. Crazy.
Again, head over to the link on the pinned message, enter your YouTube username, and then just type I love Leo. And then as soon as you, again, you guys don't have to do it multiple times. Like one time is enough. Like it'll get you in.
Seven.
You have to sign up to leave your YouTube name. No, this should be a public draw. So how many did we give away last time? I think it was 2, 3, 5, 3, 8. Okay. You 3 minutes and 40 seconds left. I'll give you guys a good time window.
Wow. I'll stay here for the giveaway winners and then I'll pop off, Alex.
Okay, bet.
No validation for continuations on GC on the hourly, guys. So for me right now, it's honestly just...
Yeah. Just kind of waiting for the timer to reach a little closer.
Let me see this real quick. Dude, the worst thing is YM longs are definitely still going to pay here, guys. YM longs actually look good still. Mm-hmm. How much time do we have for them?
1 minute and 40 seconds.
Sweet. Does the auto pick them as well?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's the in-house giveaway bot, bro. Come on.
Yes, dude. Yeah, my bad, bro. Shit, my bad.
Also, boys, be sure to use code LAB at all your favorite firms. The only reason we're able to do these is because of the support that we get from the code LAB. LAB at your favorite firms. Don't be lame. Am I allowed to say that? Yeah, am I allowed to say that?
100%, bro.
Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna switch over to
Dude. Oh,
stream.
now we're seeing NQ pop.
Really?
A little bit. Just confirmed to C2.
Okay, screen is up. We got about 46 seconds left. Oh, I like this screen.
What do you like? What?
Like the screen that we
Oh
have up right
yeah.
now. Oh, my goodness. 30 seconds left, boys.
My God.
My God.
Good luck, Shatteroony. Wow, dude. NQ here is setting up nice for these longs. So before I hop off, we're gonna announce the giveaway winners, and I'm gonna hop off here. But guys, I'm telling you right now, what I'm looking for continuations. 10:15 a.m. is gonna open. We're gonna form some imbalances. I'm taking longs after 10:15. You heard me first. If we
6,
confirm a validation, good
4,
luck to the winners.
2. And the winners are Andy White,
Oh, the boy Andy White.
Nella, and Vikram. Congratulations to the 3
Nella White is
winners.
this one who said I had an accent.
Is it? Is it?
Yeah, it is. I think, right? Nella?
Andy. I recognize Andy actually. So
Andy, yeah, I reckon Andy's here.
I
all the
recognize
time, bro. That
Andy.
makes me happy, dog.
yeah,
Nella.
that makes me happy. Nella and Vikram.
Yeah, Nella's one that said I had the accent. Nella, what accent, by the way? You never answered me. Left on a cliffhanger.
Congratulations to you all. Back to the charts.
I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm hopping to Frenchie. Yeah, that would be it. Join the middle of a giveaway. Sorry, Nico. Congrats to the winners, guys. I'm gonna hop off myself here, though. Sorry, folks. Love you guys, but your boy's off. I got nothing
brother.
from you. I'll see you soon, dude. Lovely session as per
see
usual.
ya.
Have a great rest of the day, dude. Make sure you
Thank
guys
you, brother.
like the streams down. My boy is gonna keep milking it here. So see you guys soon. Later. Thank you, production. Ciao, ciao.
Congrats to the giveaway winners. We'll contact you guys soon. Don't worry. We'll probably just need. We'll let you guys know. Don't worry about it. We have the winners selected. You guys know who you are. We'll contact you soon. Do not worry. Why is my fucking computer dying right now? Okay, Andy, Nella, and Vikram, I need you guys to DM thelab.live on X. Please. I can send the link as well. DM this account. And then just when you DM, send a screenshot of you being logged into your YouTube so we can just confirm that it's actually you, and we'll go from there. But congratulations. Huge congrats. My computer's like fucking overheating right now and I don't know why. am unsure as to why. Oh, thank you guys. Appreciate everyone for watching. Be sure to drop a like. Long still valid? Yeah. Appreciate you guys for watching. Appreciate all of you for 5K subs. This is huge. 10K is next, boys. 10K is next. Slowly, the world will soon realize that this is the greatest trading show on earth. That's all I'm going to say. Soon, the world will realize that we work crazy hours. We've got Juno on in the morning every single day. Appreciate that guy. We've got Leo, Bray, Kane, myself on for New York. We've got Bray and myself for PM. Like, you guys don't realize it, but there's a whole team behind this. Well, maybe some of you do. There's a whole team behind this, and the fact is that we come on here, and we're grateful to have every single one of you guys. Miami Slayer's been here since the start. Jack, Nico, all of you guys that have been here from the start. Shout out to you guys. We really, really appreciate you guys. Yeah, Graham and Gavin. Yeah. So yeah, we work really hard. We're here all the time. And the truth of the matter is we trade. That's all we're here to do. Some people like the flashy stuff. Some people like the giveaways. Some people are here for the giveaways. I understand that. But the truth is, we're just here to trade because we're, at the end of the day, we're traders, right? The flashy stuff and the fucking, and this and the that and the big P&Ls. Yeah, like we all love that, right? Like who doesn't? But the truth of the matter is that this is a hard thing to do. It's a hard thing to do. If you're here and you're trading and you wake up every single day and you look at the charts and you analyze and you study and you try, give yourself a pat in the back because this is one of the hardest things to do, right? Not only just mentally. So I know that the reason why we like to come together and watch these things is because sometimes it's a lonely path, right? At the beginning, it's a lonely career unless you have a friend that you're doing it with. It's a very, very lonely path. I can speak on this volumes because I remember being in high school and having my charts open, you know, during fucking macro or microeconomics and trying this and trying that and then failing for years and years. I failed for years. But yeah, truth is you guys are doing a very hard thing. Take it serious. And there's not a better place, I would say, to not only just listen to, but also to just learn from. Because we've got, I mean, think about it. We've got Kane. Like Kane is an insane, one of the best traders. Like there's a huge variety of knowledge here. We've got Juno. Juno is one of the most consistent people I know. He's had like a green P&L for like 2 to 3 years. He's one of the most consistent, and he just wakes up. He just does it. Like he wakes up. He's like, okay, this is what it is. This is what it's not. I just do it. So yeah, appreciate all of you. Thanks so much for watching. You know, we're on the way to the very tippity top, and it's because we just fucking work. Anyways, back to the charts. Wait, like the push. You guys are the scientists, yeah. Anyways. Yeah, boys, this was a pretty strong expansion to the downside. Not much for me to say here. You trade TTFM? No, not really. I trade swings. I use swings. I wouldn't really. Obviously, like the TTFM logic is a swing, so it's easy to. I'm not Leo. I'm Alex, but yeah, we can do that. Listen, boys, if one of you wins and your country is restricted, we'll find a solution for you. We're not just going to leave you hanging. NQ just seeing a continuation here to the downside. Not much for me to do, to be honest. I don't really want to short this because at that point I'd be shorting a crazy discount, right? Like, sure, it can play out, but this could easily just do this, right? And then I don't want to long because I'd be catching a falling knife. So it's in that spot where you don't really want to push anything. Keep winning, Alex. You guys are doing an amazing job. You changed lives. Dude, appreciate that, Lucas. Appreciate that. And if you guys at any point, and I can speak for myself and, you know, maybe some of the others, but if you guys at any point are struggling with anything, you know, like that, this shit is hard, feel free to DM me on Instagram, on X. I try to look through my DMs. If you're genuinely curious and you got things and you got questions in this, I try my best to answer. If you're also going through it, don't be afraid, bro. Don't be afraid to DM me. It's that's my Instagram. Holy, this thing is moving. QQQ is now getting into those lows. Appreciate you, Nico. And it's a Friday, boys. It's Friday. It's a Friday. Beautiful day out. Sun's out. Might hit the pool after the gym. Might grab a nice little drink. Might get some take profit accounts. 50% off. What a fucking steal. Might miss the shorts on NQ. It's okay. Honestly, I had a pretty peaceful week considering these opens. And that makes me happier, actually. The fact that I had such a peaceful week on such shit opens every day, like, that makes me pretty happy. Just from the shower and yes, Tsunami. Beverly Fong, 5545. I don't even know if I would consider that. Did we sweep this high? I don't think it did. I think it literally made equal highs. Zoom in on this. Oh, wow. It did. That's crazy. What's the high on this candle? 29,539. 29,539. Whoa. That is crazy. Slowly making its way towards the low. X username, it's just ALEXXO. Hellenish. Tag Bruce Dalo with SMT and I'll blow in another account right now. You're fucking crazy. Oh my god, you're funny, man. I can't justify. I can. I can justify a long. Boom, boom. This candle, that. That's the order block right there. Stop below the low. 37-point stop. The thing is, it would be slightly unreasonable of me to expect that we're going all the way back up here, especially after this massive drop. But wouldn't that be fucking crazy? I say fuck it. Just gotta call. Yo, what's up, Fortune? Fuck it, we ball. What else would we do other than ball? I'm chilling, brother. How are you? 10:26, 4 minutes till 10:30. I'm in some calls here, boys. I'll close out of the calls if we get back to the low, but I am in some calls here. I'm aiming for 715 on QQQ, 0 DTEs. Bottom for stupid cheap, 24 cents. So why longs? A couple things. Previous hourly low on NQ, S divergence at the previous hourly low with ES. 3-minute confirmed order block on NQ, 1-minute confirmed order block on NQ as well. 15-minute C2, that means C3 is coming up at 10:30. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'm willing to bet you that this would be at -4. Yep. So if we can get above the 336s, we'll reclaim this. I think this is all for the taking here. So ideally, we just shoot up above those. 1 minute 40 seconds until 10:30. Nice push here. You got 15 indicators, but I see no indicators. Yeah, I like to test things. I don't, again, like for something to actually have an effect on my edge, or like for me to actually implement something, it takes a lot of time because I would need to backtest it for a really long time. So I just have things up. Some of them I don't use, but some of them I do use. Like for example, the power of 3, which is like the higher time frame indicator. I've got the 30-second, which is like the ORs, just to gauge price. The thing is, it is OPEX, so I think it's important that we remain, like, our expectations remain, you know, kind of smart here. But this would technically be the C2 of the 15 if we manage to close above here. Come on, 10:30. Give us a nice push here to the upside. I really want to see it take the previous 15-minute high here. I don't really like that I'm not seeing the sense of urgency to the upside here, and it's failed to take the previous 15-minute high. So, yeah. Don't like the lack of urgency. That's for sure. Give us a nice little impulse higher here. Oh, is that what you mean by tsunami? $312s, there's a lot of pressure at 312. So I think if we do manage to get above it, I think it's just gonna spool above. It'll impulse through it. See if it pushes through the 312s. Come on. Buyers, start stepping in here. This is where it matters. This is where it counts. This is where it matters. Nah, couldn't step in. Could not step in. Best time to sell YM according to my system is now. I don't really look at YM, brother. But good luck. Good luck if you're shorting that. Yeah, it looks like I might close this position out break even here if it gets to it. $10.35. 10 minutes till the next 15-minute candle opens. I'm assuming if we are correct, it might want to make the open to a low here on the 15-minute. But it really got to see this thing move. Yeah, really just strong ask here. I'm closing this out, boys. Come on. If it gets to back to my entry.
Fuck it, I'll manually intervene. I'm closing out of this position, boys. We'll keep the drawing on just in case. But yeah, I've got about like 24 minutes left anyways on my trading day, so I am good. Okay. I'm holding Enki shorts from the top till the close of today. Hell yeah, bro. Do-do-do, 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 do-do-do. Yeah, you're right, Sean. You are right. Ah. Do. What a great day, actually. What are everyone's plans for the weekend? What are you guys up to, huh? You guys gonna go party? Party hardy? Party hardy? Eat, sleep, poop repeat. Wolf's got this down, bro. No friends in South Africa. I guess I'll go wine tasting. Where are you in South Africa? Golf then pub. Get off the charts and chill. Who's back testing this weekend? Anybody back testing? On call this weekend. No plans for me. Fair. Fairs. Your BISD looks wrong? What do you mean? What is that? What is BISD? My bias looks wrong? That's fine. So what's that in South Africa when you come to Cape Town, Alex? Bro, you're in Cape Town? I know Kane really likes it there. Coding, backtesting, and taking sis for dinner on her birthday. Hell yeah. Tell your sister I said happy birthday. Happy birthday. Fortune mash. Any YouTube or that you can recommend to learn some of these trading? Sorry, I'm like, I had like a brain fart trying to. Any YouTubes or that you can recommend to learn some of this trading malarkey? Shit. MMXM content. Boys, I'm not gonna lie to you. I did buy some 715s again. Hello? Can you guys hear me? It was the YouTubes for sure. Yeah, that shit threw me off. Like $230 worth of risk here. But if this plays, it'll be 10x. So honestly, I don't mind it. I don't mind risking $230. The probability of us going back up into the overnight session high is really, really low. But fuck it. You know how it is. Any YouTubes? No, bro. Yo, I need them to low-key tweet that the war's off or something. Sweep and sell. Yeah, looks like it. Looks good. Fucking looks good. Tell you that much. All right, boys. I'm gonna call it here. Congratulations to our winners. Winners, you guys know exactly what you need to do to reclaim your reward. I will see you guys next week. Make sure to drop a like. Make sure to subscribe. Use code LAB at your favorite firms. And I will see you guys on the flip side. Enjoy your weekend. Stay off the charts. Backtest if you need to, if you feel it. But if you've been on the charts for too much, your brain's starting to feel mush, get off the charts. It's not good for you. I will see you guys next week. Peace out, everybody.